Do you know that one autumn night in 1871, the growing city of Chicago turned into a sea of fire, and nobody could ever prove how it started? It began on October 8th, in a small barn behind Patrick and Catherine O'Leary's home. Legend says their cow kicked over a lantern. Historians now doubt that, but whatever happened, within minutes, flames leapt across the wooden city. Chicago was built almost entirely of pine. Streets, sidewalks, even houses were tinder waiting to burn. A dry wind fanned the flames northward, and by midnight, the city was an inferno. People fled across bridges crowded with wagons and horses. The heat melted iron, shattered windows, and turned night into blinding orange. The courthouse collapsed. The gasworks exploded, and when the city's water mains failed, firefighters could only watch the flames advance. For nearly 2 days, the fire devoured everything. When it finally rained, over 17,000 buildings were gone and 100,000 people were homeless. More than 300 lay dead. Yet out of the ashes came rebirth. Chicago rebuilt with steel, stone, and ambition, becoming one of the greatest cities in the world. The Great Chicago Fire was not just a tragedy, it was the spark that forged modern architecture and urban planning. A single flame, and a city was reborn through fire.